Keep arm flat. Left first, then right. Rub oil with both hands. Move from the forearm to the whole arm and to the fingers. Operate for 3 times. Push the whole arm with both palms alternately for 3 times. Push 3 channels: large intestine channel, tri-jiao channel, and small intestine channel. Add the outer arm with the hukou of both hands to the armpit. Operate for 3 times. Caress for 3 times. Rub the 3 channels separately on the upper arm with the kneeling finger. Back and forth for 3 times. Caress for 3 times. Keep arm flat. Push 3 in channels: lung channel, pericardium channel, and heart channel. At the inner side of the arm with hukou to the armpit. Push each channel for 3 times. Rub 3 channels with the kneeling finger. Back and forth for 3 times. Caress the whole arm and 2 fingers. Do the same to the other arm. Use 40,000 NRF to dissolve fat and shape arms. Apply gel on arms evenly. Please note, applying gel before 40,000 NRF operation is a must. Adjust the energy level according to one's feeling. Technique: keep arm flat. Push 3 channels from the fat on forearm to armpit. Operate for 3 times. Please note, there will be tinnitus during the 40,000 operation. Don't worry, this is a normal phenomenon. 40,000 operation cannot be used at the heart or bones. Move in circles along 3 channels to the armpit. Operate for 3 times. Double operation at flabby area for 3 times. Push 3 channels to the armpit for 3 times. Keep arm flat. Push 3 channels on the arm to armpit for 3 times. Move in small circles along the 3 channels on the upper arm to the armpit. Operate for 3 times. Push 3 channels from the upper arm to the armpit. Remove the gel and clean the arm with a hot towel. Do the same to the other arm. Use laser pads to double dissolve fat. Tie the bandages on both upper arms. Set parameter. Please note, select the mode according to the fat status. Fixate the laser pads on both arms. Wait for 20 minutes. Remove laser pads and bandages.